Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. Let's go to church. This is a beginner guitar lesson on Amazing Grace in G. It's been my experience that's what the hymnals are written in. G was always hard for me to sing this song in as a kid before my voice changed. So at the very end of this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play it in C. A little lower, just in case you're not Pavarotti, right? And I'm also going to show you this really cool hack on a G7. It's really easy to play one finger, and Amazing Grace is just... it's written for that, okay? So I'm going to show you from your point of view. First string, first fret. And you can strum from the fourth down. You're just bypassing the main bass notes. Amazing grace. You can do that. G7 on grace. Grace, how amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a